Hare Krishna. Today our satsang is 13th chapter, first and second shloka. Arjuna put one question. Arjuna said, I wish to know about Prakriti. Purusha and the field and the knower of the field and the knowledge and the object of knowledge. So for that Krishna replied, this body, O son of Kundi, is called field. One who knows this body is called the knower of the field. In the third shloka further Krishna is saying, you should understand that I am also the knower in all bodies. To understand this body, its owner is called knowledge, that is my opinion. So, I will read only third shloka. Kshetrajna chapi mam vidvi sarva kshetregyo bharata kshetra kshetrajnayo jnanam etat jnanam matam mama. This is knowledge. What is knowledge? Krishna answers. So, what is the question of Arjuna? Let us first understand so that we can go with the answer comfortably. So, Arjuna wished to know about Prakriti, nature, Purusha, and the field of the nature, and knowledge and object of knowledge. Kshetra, Kshetrajna. So, there are three types of things. One is field, one is knower of the field, and another is knower of all the fields and the knower of the fields. So, you better go with this. Field is the body. Field is the ground where you play the match. And you play with the body, that is karma. And if you are restricted to the knowledge of your own body, that is Kshetrajna, one who knows the field. Kshetra, Kshetrajna. Kshetra is the body. And knower of the body is Kshetrajna. So everybody is entitled to hold the body, the soul, and he can know that much of the body which he is holding, possessing for a particular birth and death. And in other words, he cannot know the other's body. I cannot know the body of others, how they are feeling and what they are thinking and etc. So the Kshetra is the field. Field means a field of action. And the knower of the field is Kshetrajna. But Krishna is saying one more thing in the third shloka, that I am also the knower in all the bodies. So I am also Kshetrajna of all Kshetras and Kshetrajnas also. And to understand this is the knowledge according to Krishna. Knowledge is not somewhat you mechanical engineering or advocacy or like that. Krishna do not think this is a knowledge. That is the only skillful art of doing something for money or etc. But what is knowledge and what is the object of knowledge? See, every time we are discussing some knowledge and every time we are discussing Krishna, but what is the aim? What is the object of all this? Here is the important point. And Arjuna put this question is, what is knowledge and what is the object of knowledge? Object of knowledge is constitutional status of everything. What you are, what God is, why we are here, why is the separation between God and us, who is the knower of the field, what is this field of activities. All this is field. We are the knower of the fields. God is the knower of the fields. We both know this. And to know these things as they are is knowledge. And what is this as they are? As they are is, the field is different from the owner of the field. As the house is separate from you. You are not the house, that is the field. That is where you reside. In the same way, this body, mind, intelligence, this cosmos, universe, air, water, earth, fire, ether, ego, all this constitutes the field. There, you have no connection with all that. You can just know them. They exist. They perform. They perish. That is the knowledge of you. And you know this much only. You don't know how other bodies are running, how the sun and moon is running. That is not your jurisdiction. But Krishna says, I am also Kshetrajna. In all the bodies and knower of all the fields, and as to understand this, to understand that the field of activities is not only known by you, but it is also known by God perfectly. And if you still go into the mysteries of understanding of this chapter, you will come to know that Kshetrajna is handling the total body. And this knower of the field, that means you and I, are only witnesses. We are not the doers. We are the knower of the fields, but we are not the doer of the fields. We are watching the match, but we are not playing the match. That is important. And this is the object of the knowledge is to situate ourselves, not only knowing the body, but also knowing the Kshetrajna, that is Krishna, who is hidden here. He knows you. He knows your field of activity, but you don't know him. That is the secret of this chapter. You know that you know this body and you are feeling that you are handling it according to time and circumstances. But that is not true. Because the soul is a karta, it can only witness the activities. It can conscious the body, but it cannot run the body. Cannot act on the field. So this is more important, and that is the object of the knowledge. Object of the knowledge is joy. If you get the truth, what is what, how is situated, you will feel relaxed. When you come to know that you are the witness in the body, you are not the doer in the body, then there nothing remains for you to do and you will just attain peace here. And who is the doer? Kshetrajna, Lord Krishna is the doer in all bodies. He is handling the bodies with remote.